There has been a fundamental shift in the way we work. An analysis of American workforce data by Global Workplace Analytics found that from 2005 to 2018, the number of U.S. remote workers grew 173%. The organization estimates that in the next 2 years, a record 25 to 30% of the U.S. workforce will work from home at least part-time, thanks to the lasting impact of stay-at-home orders mandated during the coronavirus pandemic. This momentous change raises huge challenges for human resources, HR, at a time when business leaders are already faced with unparalleled disruption and uncertainty. Platforms like eSkill allow companies to use job skills assessment tests to evaluate remote workers' technical skills, cognitive aptitude, and behavioral characteristics in real time. This method not only increases hiring efficiencies, but also decreases the chance of bias occurring. Download the executive report on this page to learn more. Here's a look at how employers can take advantage of eSkill's innovative HR tools to streamline what has historically been a subjective and lengthy process. Create data-driven remote skills profiles, leverage skills tests and assessments to predict job fit, streamline the hiring process. Download the executive report on this page to learn more. Interested in using skills tests to hire remote workers? Learn more about the benefits of using eSkill's customizable job skills assessment tests and video interviewing to find qualified candidates quickly. Request a demo today. eSkill.com